Hello everyone, it's James again, and today we're going to be doing some mole conversions in the Chemistry 151-8 GLA. We're going to be going over problem 5 in the extra practice section. Problem 5 reads, war nickels produced from 1942 to 1945 are composed of 56% copper, 35% silver, and 9% manganese. How many moles of each element are found in a 5-gram nickel coin? Hint, there are 56 grams of copper in 100 grams of nickel coins. So what the problem is asking us for is the number of moles of copper, silver, and manganese. So we're just going to be doing some unit conversions here. We're going to start with what we're given, which is 5 grams of nickel. And if we look at the hint, we know that for every 100 grams of nickel, we're going to have 56 grams of copper. So in order to get the grams of nickel to cancel out, I'm going to go ahead and put the grams of nickel on the bottom. And we're going to be converting that into the grams of copper. And then to go from the grams of copper into the moles of copper, we just need the molar mass. The molar mass of copper is 63.546 grams per 1 mole of copper. If we go ahead and carry out this calculation, you'll notice that the grams of nickel cancel with the grams of nickel, and then the grams of copper will cancel with the grams of copper, and our answer will be left in the units of moles of copper, which is what they're asking for. So we have 5 times 56 times 1, of course, divided by 100, divided by 63.546, and our answer is 0.044 moles of copper. So that's one of our answers. Next, we're going to be calculating the moles of silver. So we're still starting with the 5 grams of nickel in the coin. We know that if we have 100 grams of nickel, that 35% of it is going to be silver. So out of 100 grams of nickel, 35 grams would be silver. And then like we did previously, we just need the molar mass of silver to go from grams of silver to moles of silver. Silver comes in at 107.868 grams per 1 mole of silver. So grams of nickel will cancel with grams of nickel. Grams of silver will cancel with grams of silver, and our answer will be left in moles of silver. So we'll go ahead and do this right here. 5 times 35 times 1 divided by 100 divided by 107.868, and our answer here is 0.016 moles of silver. So that's another answer. And then next we just have to do manganese. Go to another slide. Starting with the same 5 grams of nickel. We know that if we have 100 grams of nickel, 9% or 9 grams of it has to be manganese. And then next all we need is the unit conversion or the molar mass for manganese. And manganese comes in at 54.938 grams per 1 mole. And so if we go ahead and do this calculation, we should get the moles of manganese. We have 5 times 9 times 1 divided by 100 divided by 54.938. We get 0.00819. It's going to say we have 0.008 moles of manganese. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys soon.